This is a story about a fox family and their underground friends.
Hello, I'm Mr. Fox, and I'm the man of the family.
My name is Mrs. Fox, and these are my 4 children. Hello, I am the youngest fox. Hello, I am the second youngest fox. I am sort of the middle fox. I am the oldest fox.
One night, Mr. Fox asked Mrs. Fox what she wanted for dinner.
What do you want for dinner?
I would like one of Bunce's plump ducks.
Ducks it is.
Then Mr. Fox snuck out of his home and went into Bunce's duck farm and grabbed the fattest, plumpest duck. The next day, Bunce came into his duck house and noticed the biggest, plumpest duck was missing.
Oh, that darn fox. We've got to do something about him.
The farmers decided to shoot Mr. Fox. I'm gonna get that fox and he can't stop me.
I will kill that fox if it's the last thing I do. Dang that filthy thief.
What is for dinner tonight?
I like one of Baucus's fattest chickens.
Chicken it is.
Mr. Fox went out of his hole to get one of Baucus's chickens. He was all careful coming out of his hole. The 3 farmers were ready to shoot.
First good glass. Look what happened to my tail.
Mr. Fox went back in his den.
Oh, what's happened to your tail? Will your tail ever grow back, Dad? I hope it does.
Oh, little fox, don't worry. I just cursed Bobby's bunch of beans for sour apples.
Darn it, we only got that fox's tail.
Who has any ideas? Because I want to get that fox.
So where's the hole?
I have a plan. My plan is to dig him up with shaded shovels.
Arms to get their shovel. Then they started to dig. The foxes heard some shoveling, and so they dug deeper.
Hey, since they are coming in after us, let's dig. The old saying is a fox can dig faster than a man.
Hurry, children, dig, dig.
And the foxes dug as fast as possible down the deep tunnel. The farmers saw that the shovels were not working, so they thought they could use electric shovels.
Beep. Do you have any more stupid ideas? Could you say that again?
He said, "You have any more stupid ideas?"
Why don't we use electric shovels?
Bunce and Bean went off to get the shovel. Baucus stayed behind in case the fox came in his hole.
Daddy, our tunnel has gotten shorter.
Deeper, deeper, deeper!
The farmers dug all day and all night trying to get the foxes, but the foxes dug deeper and deeper. Get those foxes!
I give up. Those foxes will never come out. I have one more idea. Let's starve them out. How many men do you have? I have about 60 men.
I have about 75.
I have 35.
The farmers went back to the farm to get sleeping bags, tents, dinner, and their men. They surrounded Mr. Fox's hole and the hill so he could not come out either way.
Ah, those mutton chops are up there again.
Are we going to die?
I have an idea.
What is it, Dad?
It's a surprise. Just start digging.
Mr. Fox and the baby foxes started digging a tunnel through the dirt. They dug until Mr. Fox felt a wooden board on top of his head. He opened it, and they were in Baucus's chicken house number 1.
Hallelujah! Look how many chickens there are!
I want to get them and start eating.
No, let's just get the 3 fattest ones in. Go!
The foxes grabbed the 3 fattest, plumpest chickens and dug back to Mrs. Fox.
We should prepare our feast.
I will have supper ready in a jiffy.
Oh, no, I don't like this part.
Narrator.
Mr. Fox and the baby foxes invited Badger and his family to go to the feast. Badger went along to help them get the food. They got geese, ham, bacon, and 3 gallons of cider. They went back to Mrs. Fox and gave her the rest of the food.
I just have one